If you want to learn how to blur in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a blur effect to your video, how to adjust the strength so you get the exact look you want. This is a super useful skill, whether you want to hide private details, blur out a background section, or create a more cinematic edit. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials, just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open your project in CapCut PC. Make sure your timeline is ready, and very importantly, make sure nothing is selected on the timeline before you start adding effects. This helps avoid applying the effect to the wrong clip or layer by accident. Once everything is ready, look at the top or side menu and click on Effects. Inside the Effects section, choose Video Effects. This is where CapCut keeps all the visual effects that can be added to your video. Now, in the search bar, type Blur. CapCut should show you the blur-related effects available for your version. From here, click the blur effect you want to use and apply it to your video track. Once it's added, you'll see it appear on the timeline as an effect layer. This is the part where you can control exactly where the blur appears in your video. Next, drag the edges of the blur effect on the timeline to cover only the section you want blurred. For example, if you only want to blur part of a clip, shorten or extend the effect so it matches that part exactly. This step is really important because it gives you precise control over when the blur starts and ends. If the blur is too long or too short, just adjust the edges until it lines up perfectly with your footage. After that, tap or click on the blur effect again to bring up its settings. Here, you can adjust the intensity of the blur. If you want a soft blur, keep it low. If you need to fully hide something in the video, increase the intensity until it looks strong enough. Take a moment to preview the result and see how it looks in motion, because blur can sometimes feel different once the video is playing back compared to when it's paused. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to blur in CapCut PC using the Video Effects panel, how to fine-tune the blur intensity for a cleaner edit. This is a very simple trick, but it can make a huge difference in your videos. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.